The battle for control of the ANC in the courts in a tussle between suspended Secretary-General and the ANC leadership started with a blow for Ace Magashule. Justice Kollapen sent applicants Nkosenhle Shezi and Marwera packing with cost of 3 senior counsels by rejecting their plea to be intervening parties in the case.
In the intervention application of Mr. Mawere, the challenge in terms of Rule 7 is dismissed, and the application for intervention is struck from the roll with costs, including the cost of senior counsel. In the interne matter, the application for intervention is struck from the roll with costs due to non-urgency, including the cost of senior counsel. And in the Shezi matter, the application for intervention is struck from the roll due to the lack of urgency, with cost, including the cost of senior counsel. That concludes the judgment on the intervention applications.
As the court pleases.
I agree.
I agree.
It is so ordered.
Advocate Dali Mpofu is arguing that the ANC step-aside resolution that was used to suspend Magashule is unconstitutional. Mpofu says the South African Constitution clearly stipulates that one is innocent until proven guilty, but the ANC has prejudiced Magashule.
If 25.70 is not justifiable, then the SG must be reinstated. If it is justifiable, then it must stay suspended. It's that simple. But here we're dealing with a clause rather than a section in a statute.
The South Gauteng High Court bench questioned if Advocate Dali Mpofu was implying if suspending someone was infringing upon their rights and should be done away with.
What it then means in our law, we would not know the concept suspension. No. And we know that there's a whole jurisprudence in various fields of our law where suspension is recognized as one of the tools that can be used, particularly in the employment arena.
Advocate Mpofu says Magashule was illegally suspended as the ANC NEC didn't endorse his suspension as the highest decision-making body between conferences.
To do that, you must do it lawfully. That's where the buck stops. You must do it constitutionally. Nobody says you must never suspend anyone.
The court application continues as the ANC's 3 senior legal counsels are yet to present the organization's, the president's and the deputy secretary-general's defense. Samkele Masego, SABC News, Johannesburg.